Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a loose drywall anchor like this one. After removing the old drywall anchor, you'll notice that there's a rough, oversized hole left behind. You cannot just install a new anchor into this hole because it will come loose again, so here's the fix. The first step is to use a high-strength drywall repair compound to fill the hole. You don't need to fill the hole perfectly, you just need to get a good amount into the hole. You can use a spreader or just wipe away the excess to avoid making a mess. While the drywall repair compound is still wet, screw in a large plastic self-drilling drywall anchor like this one. They also make zinc anchors that are a similar shape, but you do not want to use those. Stick with the plastic ones. These screw-in drywall anchors are oversized for a secure fit even in an oversized hole like this one. Be careful not to over-tighten these anchors, simply screw them in until they're snug. You should see some of the drywall repair compound get squeezed out around the edges of the anchors. This is a sign that you did it correctly and you can wipe off the excess just like this. Allow the drywall repair compound to cure overnight and then you can install the screws. As you install the screw into the drywall anchor, it will begin to expand, ensuring a secure fit. You'll hear a pop once that expansion happens. After you hear the pop, continue installing the screws and tighten them until they're snug. These drywall anchors are made of glass reinforced nylon, which is strong, but you still have to be careful to avoid over-tightening. I finish up the repair by reinstalling the towel bar onto the mounting bracket. Here's the completed repair. As you can see here, it's nice and solid with no issues. I hope you enjoyed this little repair video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. I'll have a link to buy all the supplies I used in the video description, and I'll see you all next time.